PSPRS members, are you looking to run a pension estimate? Let's show you how. Once you log into your STARS platform, on the left menu bar, you're going to go down to Pension Estimates. Here you'll see any estimate documents you've already created. You'll go over to the top right and hit New Estimate. Next, review and proceed through the disclaimer. This is a reminder that the benefit estimator provides just that, estimates. You'll go down and hit Agree and Proceed. Next, it'll give you the ability to select if you want a date specific, age specific, earliest or normal retirement date. You can name your estimate. You can also add any service purchases here as well. You can enter your drop date if applicable, or for court members, your reverse date. You'll then go down and hit Next. Here, because we're running a pension estimate, you'll keep it as the default normal. You can enter your projected termination date. You'll then go down and hit Next. Here, it'll give you an overview of the information that's used to calculate your estimate. You'll go down and hit Confirm. The new estimate will populate under your estimate documents. You can click on the blue document link and it'll generate your estimate. This includes all of your pension details, as well as normal, milestone, and maximum benefit options. If you'd like to save this document for your files, in the top right corner, you can save and download the document to keep. Thank you for following along. Like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the PSPRS STARS platform.